Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to take you on a POV drive of my Volvo S80. Now this has been requested quite a bit by you guys, so I thought I'll give you what the people wanted. So yeah, we'll just take the car out, have a little test drive, show you what it's like to drive POV. I've got my towel here to catch the leak, which has been quite bad recently. We've had quite a lot of rain here, so it's yeah, it's just been a bit of a nightmare. Oh, problem with these keys, sometimes you have to press and hold them in. There we go. There we go. Stick the belt on. Also going to plug my battery charger in because my battery has run out a few times. It's got to have a new battery on Monday, but yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. People give me weird looks for having a camera on my head. Yeah, so we'll take it down this country lane, get out on some main roads, and show you what she's like to drive. In terms of driving comfort, this car I don't think can be beaten. It's absolutely lovely. I'll show you my MPG as well during the journey, just so you guys can see it. Just love the sound of this car. It's a bit sleepy this morning. That's the thing with this car. Sometimes when it's cold, it tends to be quite slow to respond. Sometimes it just takes a few minutes to warm up completely. Gearbox is a bit sort of jerky as well. So this sort of country lane is quite a good little warm up for it. Looks like autumn's definitely here as well. The leaves are starting to fall already. It's quite picturesque on this lane this time of year because yeah, it's just got the low autumn sun. Oh, bit of traction control there in the mud. Oh, there's a drip then. You have to... This is P3 Volvo owner problems right here. There you go. It's all dripping out of here and all over that, so it's, yeah, a bit annoying. There's 11 degrees out, so autumn's definitely here. I think the last few days we've had glorious sunshine. It's been about 25 degrees, and now it's completely dropped, which is pretty crazy. I didn't think it would drop that quickly, but literally the day that autumn started on the 22nd of September, we've had nothing but cold weather since. Just hear that 5-cylinder warble away. Still probably a bit too cold to really put my foot in it yet, so we'll drive it for a bit longer. But as you can see, we're pretty blessed around here for lovely country roads to drive. And they're like fast sweeping roads. We've got the new Michelin cross climates on the front as well, so it'll be interesting to see how they perform on these roads. I went for them just because we're coming into winter really. I wanted to have a more sort of capable tyre in the winter conditions. Oh, we've got a shut road. That's annoying because that's the road I was going to go down, but that's all right. We will pull down here. We've got an EV Kia Soul there. Probably not going to get very good MPGs on this run. As you can see, we're doing 7.9 at the moment. But yeah, even at 60 miles an hour, people moan about heavy cars, but this one is more than capable. I mean, I've done these bends perhaps a little bit over 60. Might have to edit that out of the video, but this car can handle anything. I think it's one of the reasons the police used it as a motorway car and sort of an advanced car, because they do handle anything you throw at them, these cars. I used to drive this road actually to work quite often. It's actually the same journey as I had my accident on, which was the first time I wore this GoPro POV, so that's interesting. But yeah, I don't know how much of this noise is coming over on camera. We've got a tractor. It's that time of year at the moment, guys, where tractors are everywhere, and sort of ruin your drive when you get hold of one. Oh no! Oh wow, that's typical, isn't it? There's two, and they take up the whole road. Look, like, it's absolutely mad. Got a nice XC60 in front of us as well. But yeah, for those of you that don't know, this is a 2005 Volvo S80 with the Polestar optimization. It's got a few other bits on it as well. It's running about 245 brake, just under 450 newton meters of torque, which is the limit of this gearbox. So it's good for 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds, just under. Obviously, conditions permitting, but yeah, it's just an absolute beast, this car. It's really like just comfortable. Volvo seats are famous for being very comfortable, and yeah, these ones are no exception. I've had it since January 2020, and in that time I've probably, well, as you can see, it's 90,649 miles, and I've probably put sounds good. I'll probably put, well, 10,000 of those miles on in the 8 months I've had this car. So yeah, she's been lovely to own. Very little issues really, touch wood. Obviously we've got the leak here. I fixed the leak that was up here, but the common issues with the P3 chassis Volvos. Volvo just basically didn't stick the windscreen in properly, so that's why they all leak. But what I'll do is I'll skip now till I get past this tractor, otherwise it's just going to ruin our journey completely. Okay then, guys, so the tractor's just pulled off rather kindly. We should get a bit of open road. I've got very little battery left on the GoPro, so might cut off at any minute. So what I'll say is thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Any footage from now on is a bonus, so enjoy.